everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find out if your iPhone is refurbished or original. And this is very easy. So let's go up to settings right here and click this. And then go back to the main setting page. And we want to go down to general. Then go to where it says about. And this is where our serial number is going to be. Let's go to serial number. And then hold down on this. And then go to copy. Now we can already see under here the coverage has expired. So we know that this phone does not have the warranty anymore. So we can get Apple support if we want down there. But once we have the serial number copied, let's go back to the home screen and then go to an internet browser or go to like Google. And we want to type in check coverage Apple. And then we want to go to checkcoverage.apple.com. So select that link, checkcoverage.apple.com. It'll bring us to this page where we can check the coverage on our device. And then we can just simply paste this into here now. So once you click on this box, you should be able to paste it in and then go to where it says submit. And it'll tell you some information about your iPhone 14 Plus. So I have the actual purchase date on there. For some reason mine says 1978. Then I got the serial number and it's telling me my coverage has expired. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.